I'm feeling quite elated, actually. It's been an extraordinary event. It's been a beautiful service. The music has been absolutely stunning. And to have a cathedral packed of people from across Wales and beyond to be here to pray for me and the church in Wales has just been so moving. I'm actually on quite a high now. Well, I was certainly slightly nervous at the beginning. So, yes, I mean, there is something really important about a public declaration and a public celebration of a ministry. Because I think, as you say, everybody knew that from the 30th of July I would take up the archiepiscopal role. But there's something quite important about sharing that with people from across the world in the context of a liturgy, in the cathedral, with the worship, the hymns, the psalms, the prayers. It just kind of rounds it off and solidifies it in where it needs to be, in our faith and in our hope in Christ.